Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable lead routing rules in Salesforce Service Cloud, full guide step by step clearly. To enable lead routing rules in Salesforce Service Cloud, start by logging into your Salesforce account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. From the drop-down menu, select Setup. In the Setup menu, locate the Quick Find box on the left side of the screen. Type Lead Settings into the Quick Find box and press Enter. Click on Lead Settings from the options that appear. In the Lead Settings page, look for the section titled Lead Assignment Rules. Check if there are existing lead assignment rules set up. If there are none, click on the New button to create a new rule. Enter a name for your new lead assignment rule in the designated field. You can also provide a description for better understanding, but it's optional. Once you've filled in the name and description, save your new rule by clicking the Save button. Now that the rule is created, you can begin adding rules to it. In the same Lead Assignment Rules page, find the Rule Entries Related list. Click on the New button to add a new rule entry. In the Rule Entry page, specify the criteria that will trigger this rule. Select the relevant fields, such as Lead Status or Lead Source, from the drop-down menus. Define the operator and value for the criteria you've selected. Select the user or queue to which leads will be assigned when the criteria are met. After completing all necessary fields, click Save to secure your new rule entry. Repeat the process to add additional rule entries if needed. Once all entries are created, make sure your lead assignment rule is active. Return to the Lead Settings page and select your newly created rule. Click on the Activate button to enable the rule. Now, your lead routing rules are active and will automatically assign leads based on your specified criteria. To ensure everything is functioning correctly, test the rules by creating a new lead. Monitor the assigned user to confirm the lead routing operates as intended. That concludes the process for enabling lead routing rules in Salesforce Service Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.